Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools and apps vying for your attention? Ever wished for a single, versatile platform to manage your entire digital life? Well, you're not alone. And today, we're diving deep into Notion, a tool that's been making waves in the productivity community. Notion isn't just another note-taking app. It's a flexible workspace that can adapt to your unique needs. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to streamline your life, Notion has something to offer. But the question is, can you really use Notion for yourself? Section 1. What is Notion? Definition. Notion is essentially a digital workspace that combines elements of note-taking, task management, and database management. It's like having a blank canvas where you can create and customize pages, databases, and other structures to suit your specific workflow. Key features. Pages. Create individual pages for notes, projects, or anything else you can think of. Databases. Organize information using tables, lists, and other database views. Templates. Start with pre-built templates to get up and running quickly. Integrations. Connect Notion to other tools like Google Calendar, Asana, and more. Visual demonstration. Show a quick demo of creating a basic page and database in Notion. Section 2. Use cases for Notion. Student, course notes, project management, study schedules, research databases, professional, task management, project planning, meeting notes, knowledge bases, personal, habit tracking, journaling, recipe management, goal setting, visual demonstration. Show specific examples of how Notion can be used in each of these areas. Section 3. Getting started with Notion. Creating an account. A simple walkthrough of how to sign up for a Notion account. The basics. Explain the core concepts of pages, databases, and blocks. Customization. Show how to customize the look and feel of Notion using themes and templates. Section 4. Advanced features. Templates. Explore the vast library of templates available in the Notion marketplace. Integrations. Demonstrate how to connect Notion to other apps using Zapier or native integrations. Automation. Introduce the concept of automation using Notion's formulas and database properties. Section 5. Is Notion right for you? Pros and cons. Weigh the advantages and disadvantages of using Notion. Comparison to other tools. Compare Notion to similar tools like Evernote, OneNote, and Trello. Personal reflection. Share your own experience with Notion and how it has impacted your productivity. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Encourage viewers to give Notion a try and explore its potential. Invite viewers to subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips and tool reviews. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.